So getting ready to winterize Molly's twin Ford Lehman 120s. System I use. I've disconnected the raw water intake right there from the strainer that you can't see. I've connected this poly hose to the raw water intake, and up in the cabin placed a 5-gallon bucket on the floor with a valve. We're filling it now with, this is actually reused antifreeze that we capture after kind of the end of the run last season. So it's diluted, but it's got pretty decent freeze protection. So what I do is start it up, suck this through, measure what's coming out at the outlet, what the freeze protection is, and then if I need more, I'll just use those full concentrate -100 jugs and run them through. So I will have somebody at the stern of the boat collecting the antifreeze as it comes out, and then I'll be in here starting and stopping the engine and watching it draw down antifreeze from this bucket. So now I've opened this valve. The hose is full of -100 antifreeze all the way up to the raw water intake, so it's ready to go. I'll go to the transom and show you what the arrangement is there. What I have on the exhaust outlet here is a dust collection hose, actually, and that contains all the antifreeze. As soon as the engine starts, we'll let this drain on the ground for a second, and then once I see a hint of blue, I'll pick it up, drop it into this bucket, collect the kind of super diluted antifreeze. Then once, right before I shut down, I will have my son lift this up, drop it in the other bucket, and we'll collect the last little bit that comes out before shutdown, and I'll check it with a refractometer to make sure it's got appropriate protection. All right, round number 3. Promising. Okay. Drawing antifreeze. So this is a full concentration mixture. Let me see. -35. I'll take that.
Good enough.
Yo! Hey, turn it off!